Hello, I'm excited to talk about a project we announced recently called CashNinjas. So CashNinjas is an NFT collection on Bitcoin Cash using the new CashTokens technology. So the website is at ninjas.cash and you will land at this homepage and you will see the different social media links as well as our countdown to the mint, which is in roughly 22 days from now. We'll go over the website in a bit, about the team, the collection and the artwork, the roadmap, so our plans for the future. But first I want to talk about how this whole project came to be. So it all started with me getting coincidentally in touch with Itachu. So Shu is a digital artist and he created these graffiti pieces, so digital artworks, and he wanted to tokenize them. So I helped him using my CashNinjas wallet, so my software. I helped him tokenize his art pieces and sell them on TapSwap. So tapswap.cash is a non-custodial marketplace, and some of them actually sold right away. So this was a very cool way to collaborate and to combine our skills. And Itachu had done an NFT project before, and he was already working on new art, as you can guess, involving these comic style ninjas. So we decided to team up, and we teamed up not just the two of us, but also Josh Elitoip, who had worked together with Itachu before, and the three of us developed this project, ninjas.cash, and we announced it on September 1st, so last week, and we also announced the minting date, so the day when people would be able to mint these CashNinja NFTs on October 1st, only on CashTokens. So this was our announcement post. And let's go back to the website for some more general information. So there will be 5,000 unique CashNinjas. The mint, so to get your own CashNinja, it will be 0.05 BCH. So that's roughly $10 at the time of making the video. And of course, this has not started yet, so it's inactive with 0 minted currently. Here's an introduction to our project. So the reason that we started this project is because it was a cool way to collaborate together, but also to build something cool in the CashTokens ecosystem. So to make something fun, cool, and unique, and to create an enthusiastic community around it. And then the secondary goal was to contribute to open source tooling. So we want to open source all the tools we use and develop. So it simplifies the process for others to create an NFT project on Bitcoin Cash. So for example, if you take a look at our GitHub page, you will enter this and you will see there is already one public repository. So more will follow in the coming weeks. There will be a minting contract that will be open source and a minting page. But the first repo that we open sourced is for the metadata. So as you can see, the Shinobi art engine is a tool used to create BCH NFT collection from image layers. And it's a fork of the Hashlibs art engine, and we tweaked it. And as you can see, we added support for BCH, CashTokens NFT projects, and we added some ninja examples, as well as did a ton of code cleanup. So a big shout out to Josh Elitoip for his work on this. And we are proud that we can open source this, but you should keep a look on our repository if you are interested in NFT collections yourself, in making them, because we will open source all our tooling and our code. So let's get back to the website and meet the team. So these are drawings from us three made by hand-drawn by Itachu. And I made this my profile picture on Twitter, as you might have seen, with a short introduction about us. So one thing is that Itachu had been involved with Smart BCH and created the Reapers project together with Josh. So they actually teamed up before. And now I get to join with some of the work I did on CashTokens for this new NFT project. So this is showcasing our artwork. So with some of the weapons and the randomized layers. So for example, the markings, which are unique. So you can read more about them here on the CashNinja lore. So there is 8 different clans which each have their special marking with their own color. But some of these ninjas are without marking, so they are clanless. These are called rogue ninjas. And more of the lore will be revealed as the project develops. So then let's take a look at the plans for the future for our CashNinjas project. So the first step was going public, announcing our project and revealing the website. Then the second part is the countdown to October 1st and actually opening the mint. So allowing people to get their own CashNinja NFT. And of course, we saw some of the these exist out of randomized layers. So computer randomized layers. So it mixes random eyes with random weapons, with random clothing and colors, as well as backgrounds. But there are also hand-drawn rare NFTs. So to get a chance at one of these rare NFTs, you should participate in the mint. Of course, all the code we write for this, the minting contract, will be open sourced. Then there's also a link with the previous project that Josh and Itachi did, which is the Reapers project. And we will bridge the Reapers, so there will be a one-way bridge developed, so the Reapers can be ported over to the BCH blockchain. And this bridging technology will also be open sourced, so other SBCH projects also have the option to move to CashTokens. So this is another way we want to contribute to the growing CashTokens ecosystem. Then next up, we plan to develop a showcase collection page. So if you have seen on the website, it still has view collection coming soon. Of course, it's because the collection is still secret, but there should be a nice way to browse the collection, including all the rare hand-drawn NFTs. So this will be developed as part of the roadmap. Then next up, to work out the lore, we have some cool ideas. So we will create a digital comic book. So Itachi, of course, the artistic creator, will take the lead on this and wants to bring a unique digital comic book about the different clans. The comic will be downloadable through the site, but only for holders of the CashNinjas. So this is something big we have planned. And then the last item on our roadmap is airdrops and collaborations. But more information about this, more details, will be revealed as the project progresses. So this concludes our plans for the future. There's also a whole section on frequently asked questions. So if you have a specific question which is listed here, then you can read up on it on your own. And of course, you can join our Telegram community for any other questions. I would highly suggest you check out our Twitter. So on Twitter, we do a lot of teasers, for example, for the rare ones in the collection, as well as post some cool artwork. For example, this is a Mortal Kombat teaser which includes Sub-Zero and Scorpion. We also made the local news. It also includes some other teasers, so I would highly suggest to check it out if you're interested. So thanks for watching this video. Keep a close eye on the countdown for our mint in 22 days on October 1st. And I would suggest you check out some of our social media. So thanks for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye.